Just one little secret and all your trades are going to be a profit. First, you need a strategy. Watch this video till the end so that you understand how I use indicators and how I make money easily. Let's get started. Alright, it's time to add our indicators. We need Donchian channel and Keltner channel. They are on the chart and I will adjust them for better usability. Let's start with Donchian. We need to remove the background fill to avoid cluttering the analysis. I will also set all bands to white for better visibility. Okay, now let's tweak the Keltner. I am changing EMA periods to 22, ATR period to 12. Next, I will adjust the style same as before. No background fill, and I will make the bands white and clarity. Done. Our trading system is now set up. It's combined these bands into multiple channel framework with key levels for trade entries. Now let's dive into details. First, we focused on price bounce from the channel lines. They are our key strategy signals. We monitor all reversal, whether from Donchian or Keltner channels, treating this combination as a single indicator. When the price bounces downwards from the channel line, we typically see continued downside momentum. Conversely, when the asset reverts upward from lower boundaries, this usually indicates an upward trend. We got multiple line generation, numerous signals here, and we simply capitalize all of them in our one trade, guys. This approach forms the foundation for about 70% of our trading activity. Now let's examine the remaining 30% of scenarios. Sometimes we see breakouts through the middle or outer channel lines. When such a breakout is confirmed, price typically continues moving in the breakout direction. Alright, time to put our strategy to the test. I will start with 50% risk exposure because my goal is here to demonstrate clear result. Now let's break down what's happening. There is a bounce from the upper boundary of our channel system. Second, we have a breakthrough of central lines. The price has reached the lower zone, consolidate there and begin moving further downwards. This confirms our analysis with significant downside room before hitting key supports level. We will now simply wait for expiration. At first, you might get a bit confused with so many lines on your chart. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. We don't need to know which line belongs to Keltner and which do Donchian. What really matters is spotting. Bounce from the outer bands and break out through the middle bands. Pro tips: if you are struggling, color code them. Make middle bands yellow and outer bands blue for easier analysis. Okay, first successful trade of the day is done. Let's switch asset and trade something else. Here is a perfect long opportunity, entering with $1,000. Let me walk you through my analysis. We will got a clear bounce off the lower channel. Boundaries triggers an upward move. The price has now broken through nearly all intimate lines and in approaching the final resistance level. We are anticipating continued upward momentum in this asset. Time for some real talk. How much sleep are you really getting? Did you know that peak performance and health, you need 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night? Without proper rest, your brain starts running on low power mode. Focus becomes scattered. Mistakes multiply. Critical details get overlooked. In trading, this is downright dangerous. I see too many beginners burning their midnight oil, then dragging themselves to day jobs without proper recovery. This isn't a suitable growth, people. Alright, that's the second trade closed profitable today. Now let's see what other opportunity the market is offering us. Okay, spotting a new short opportunity here. Let me explain why we are entering this downward move. The asset has shown 2 consecutive rejections from both the Keltner and Donchian upper bodies. This Double top pattern suggests strong potential for a significant downward movement. Back to our sleep discussion. I always get quality rest, which still leaves me ample time for workouts, outdoor activities, and leisures. While trading does give me more free time, I make sure to maintain peak mental performance during all trading sessions through disciplined habits. Sleep is fundamental. If you are not getting just 5 hours of sleep to squeeze in the extra chart time, stop this immediately. Less screen time with a clear mind beat marathon session. Meanwhile, I am locking in another profitable trade. If you are burning midnight oil without results, change your approach. Try my Telegram trading signals. Link in the description and subscribe my channel. These will fast track your profitability. With these signals, you are quickly learn to trade profitable, so make sure to join. Meanwhile, I am back in the market. The situation remains unchanged. We were calmly reversing before what should be in a drop to much lower key levels. Now we are waiting for the outcomes of the trade. Why the sleep talk? Because beginner overtrade beyond their cognitive limits. Guys, more doesn't mean you more money. You will gain more from one perfect trade, however, than 3 trades straight hours of losing money. Sleep science shows deprivation erases even the strategy I just taught to you. Recovery is not optional. Trade close profitably. Perfect. Now let's recap today's key lessons. That was a short video but highly recommended session. You will see this new strategy in action. Also, don't forget, without a proper rest, your brain doesn't work properly. You have to take rest 7 to 8 hours so that you can perform very good. But there are more to do to get more success and achieve your goal. Join my Telegram channel. You will see lots of live trading strategies, my experience, and I will share you all my details how you can get profit easily. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe my channel. Please comment below so that you can share this video to lots of people who are beginners. Comment and tell me what you want for next. That's all for now. See you in the next video.